Welcome to Bargoss, the marketplace and trading arena that brings Amazon store sellers, buyers, and brokers together to play the field under one roof. Bargoss is finally bringing transparency, reliability, and speed to the trading playground, speeding up sales and exits while making it easier than ever to build great partnerships. Say goodbye to the risk of fraud, stings, manipulation, and value inflation. When you join the Bargoss community, you gain access to fair, accurate, real-time pricing based on genuine store performance coupled with clear risk reflection. Bargoss also arms you with invaluable tools to level up your trading game, from a data-driven valuation tool to a valuation optimizer, AI broker, and more. And they're all accessible from one central dashboard with integrated chat for business owners and bargain seekers to negotiate and enjoy smooth, hassle-free transactions. Never before has such an advanced, state-of-the-art suite of trading tools been this simple to use. Whether you're just starting out or flexing your muscles as a growing industry player, Bargoss has a package for everyone. And all the basic features are free. So what are you waiting for? Add Bargoss to your bag of trading tricks by joining the community today. Bargoss, your deal maker tool.